Who say Gaza Slim did gone far away? Gaza Slim and Skeng make a song, and it is magnificent. So let's get into the song right now. Okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe right now. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. What is this on me hat, man?
Can't weed them want fi hype on. A pussy them suck and bite on. The weed me smoke it high, man.
Gaza Slim never Christian. Should he turn back? Or am I getting it wrong? I think she turn Christian, you know. But come.
So rise, Skeng done. Cause we no afraid of no one. So me stay from day one. Badness, what you know about badness? Me not know this. Me not care who the guy.
Nah, line up. I love Vanessa Bling voice, you know. I love it. I is loving it.
Badness, what you know about badness? Me not know this.
Me know about badness. I can spell it. Can you?
From your this you go die.
Punish town badness. How you rise the crime them can't get. Find it alright, believe in my wrongness. Them for know me evil hungry. Empty and mad just slightly and cocky.
Pull up Skeng part. Come in.
Punish town badness. How you rise the crime them can't get. Find it alright, believe in my wrongness. Them for know me evil hungry. Empty and mad just slightly and cocky.
In your love, in your boss, in your gun. Look in your eyes, baby, until you come.
Them even know say I you love my gun. Lift up the new one, the one with the jump.
Badness, wait.
Dogs, I lift up the new one, the one with the jump.
No about badness. Me not know this. Me not care who the guy. Badness, what you know about badness? Me not know this. From your this you go die.
Just ship down a 15, listen me. Everything I figured that pan the same. I mean no mercy if I know one away. We fuck me.
Yo, me can't wait forget my soundboard. Cause if I start press up that bomb buckler there here, one bag of gunshot and pull up. Remember me tell you, man.
Straight we brawling on a date. Who not dead free them the evil one speak. Cause them know me put all them grandma to sleep. Hell I feeling like me if I made this all my J. Me left in the street now spread out a blade. Everything I get murder. Yo bring them in the know with the murder. Find them anywhere me searching with the burner. And anywhere me sight to me go hurt. I swear upon my life believe me gon' curve ya. Hell tongue there and I hurt ya. In between the red dirt.
Go back.
But promising, I mean no mercy if I know one away. We fuck be discreet, we brawling on a date. Who not dead free them the evil one speak. Cause them know me put all them grandma to sleep. Hell I feeling like me if I made this all my J. Me left in the street now spread out a blade. Everything I get murder. Yo bring them in the know with the murder. Find them anywhere me searching with the burner. And anywhere me sight to me go hurt. I swear upon my life believe me gon' curve ya. Hell tongue there and I hurt ya. In between the red dirt.
From your this you go die.
I like it. I give it a 10 out of 10. If you don't realize the song them I dropped lately from like 3 something minutes to like 2 minutes and something seconds. But I like it. It's a nice song. I give it a 10. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's not the collab that I was expecting, but I give it a 10 out of 10. Both artists have beautiful voice, and I think they did very well. Flow, melody, style, video was gruesome, but we give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you guys when we come back again.